Yeah, so I'm doing my introduction today. You might be wondering why I'm wrapped in a blanket, and that's because it is quite cold in my house. Quite cold. Okay. So, hello. My name is Eriol, and I am 19 years old. I am currently living at home with my rentals in Ontario, Canada. Yay. I personally identify myself as transmasculine, genderqueer, gender fluid, blah 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 blah. I really hate labels, because although they make some things simpler, they make other things really, really confusing and difficult, so I really hate labels. Pronouns, I prefer male pronouns, he, him, his, and gender neutral ones like they, them, there. So if you want to use neutral ones, it's cool, male ones, it's cool. You get a thumbs up. I really like drawing and making things. Oh, another thing I really like, I'm gonna have to bring you with me so I can show you. That's my little studio area. Anyways, yeah, I'm really nerdy, so I want to show you some of my nerdy things. So, this is my nerd shelf here. It has lots of, I don't know, anime and manga related things on it because I'm super nerdy and I like that kind of junk. And it also has like lots of comic books here, and those are some regular books that I have. I am a fan of John Green, so I have The Fault in Our Stars signed copy. Here's some of my movie stuff that I have on my shelf. Anyways, yeah, so nerdy junk. I like nerdy junk. Do you like nerdy junk? Yeah. So, I really also enjoy crafting. Like, I like sewing and making things in general. I'm very crafty, like working with my hands. Yeah, I've been learning Japanese for a long time, so I do know conversational Japanese, and I actually spent this summer in Japan as well, it was an exchange type thing, so I stayed there for a while. As for my day, I have no idea what day I'm going to post on as of right now. If anyone has any... Pardon me, my cat was bothering me. Kitty! 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 This is my cat. His name is Ninja, and he's not very friendly. What's that? Are you angry at me? I think he's mad at me. He's mad at me now. But yeah, I don't know what day I want to be on, so I'll figure it out. I'm really excited to be part of this channel because I think that I do actually have an interesting view on things. Like, I think a lot, and I think that that helps, like, with my specific views on stuff. And I've made 2, like, LGBT related videos for school, for the school students day, and I won an award for it, which is in my bedroom right now, so I can't get it. I like learning about stuff, like most of my day I'm watching educational documentaries and stuff, so I'm anyways, thanks for watching my video. I'll put a link to my DeviantArt and my personal YouTube in the description. Yeah, so that's that. I can't wait to make more videos for this channel. I'll put up another one for next week. Until then, my friends.